Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark Pod 7 Pro, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will first want to access your boot options, which you can do so by swiping down from the top of your screen and clicking right here on this power button. Once you have all your boot options visible, you want to hold power off. When you do so, it changes to this window, reboot to safe mode, with a quick message. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK and wait for the device to boot back up. Okay, so we have finally booted up, and once we access our actual home screen, you will be able to see, other than the safe mode marking that is right here in the corner that is indicating that we have successfully booted into this mode, you can see that on our screen things like widgets will not work, and on a second page we have a bunch of applications that also will not work. You can quickly distinguish between them, as for instance things like Firefox and Opera and so on now became monochrome. So any application that doesn't run in this mode basically becomes like this. Now, applications that are affected would be applications that you have installed yourself or ones that have been downloaded while you are going through the setup process. Now, typically that's not very common. Samsung is the only one that downloads applications while you're setting up by forcing you to connect to network. So on Samsung, things like calculator, calendar, clock are basically turned off in safe mode, but normally in devices like this one, you shouldn't be really losing access to most of the default apps that you see out of the box. Ones that you download, like these ones right here at least, those are affected, and if you try to open them up, you can't, and neither you nor the device can run them. This is done for troubleshooting purposes. If you maybe are an app developer, you create some kind of application that is right now completely messing about the usability of your device, you can boot it into this mode, and that application can no longer cause you problems. Now, once you're done with this mode, to go back to the normal one, find the power button once more, but this time around we're just going to click on Restart. So you can see we are now back in normal mode. We no longer have the marking right here in the corner, but I do want to point out one thing. When we accessed safe mode, the device automatically enters airplane mode, and you can now see that we are still in this mode even though we left the safe mode. So it does automatically turn it on, but for some reason it doesn't automatically turn it off. So we need to do that ourselves by swiping down from the top of our screen and selecting the airplane mode right here. If you can't find it in the list, you can click right here where you have this pencil, find it somewhere from the list right here, and you just hold it. This will allow you to drag it on the above the text right here, and when you go back, oops, should have access to it on one of the pages. So there we go. Now, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.